Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are exploring the woods around my house, but this time we're going even farther out than last time. Got my bear spray with me. It's gonna keep me safe. We are literally in the middle of nowhere, and in this video you'll find out how I got here. So stick till the end to watch me go through pipes, get my feet wet, and just have a blast out in nature. Last time I came down here, it's been a while, but last time I came down here, it was all mud. Okay guys, what causes this? Is that from a woodpecker? It's interesting. It's about that big next to my hand. I have never seen anything like that out here. Looks like there's some tracks. Oh, it looks like we got some ice. Interesting. Yeah, definitely a beaver chute. Look at that. Once again, back to the beavers. They just like are everywhere. I don't know if you can see down that. There's even like a chute of stuff down there. But I would say that's definitely beavers. I'd be interested to see if we could find any like beaver chew. Another semi went by. Looks like we found the log a beaver got. It's all chewed up. This one too, it's pretty old, but if you look at the ends, that's from a beaver. Got some bones. I guess I have gloves on, so it should be fine to touch them. Look at that. Look at that. That's cool. It's like those ships from Star Wars. Anyways, probably shouldn't be playing with dead animals too much. Anyways, I feel like this would also be a pretty cool place to camp. Let me do this around. Got the water. It's nice and flat too. I feel like that's one of the major things you want when camping is to be flat. Flat ground you can sleep on, and this place does it. This summer I hope to do a lot of camping videos, so finding spots is essential. Let's see. Let's get onto this log. That was probably the gayest way I could have done that in my entire life. Let's go up it best we can. It actually doesn't look that deep over here, so if I keep going up this log. Oh, that's slick though. I might be able to just jump across. Let's do it. I made it. I jumped. Come on. Nice opening. Cool. Let's keep going though. Looks like somebody had some fun. We got a bunch of dirt bike start practices, it looks like. I wonder who that could be. Which isn't that nice. Oh, it's getting mushier. The further we go, the mushier it's been getting. I don't know how I feel about it, but sometimes you just gotta brave the mush to get where you're going. You can't always be a winner. Sometimes you have to be a loser. That way winning is more important. But I'm starting to get hot. I'm warming up. It's nice and warm out here. But I did pack some snacks. I'm pretty hungry. Homemade, dehydrated apples. My mom makes them. It's amazing how long these things last, and they're pretty good too. You just dehydrate them, and then you can freeze them and keep them as long as you want. Pair them with these Ritz peanut butter crackers, and you got a nice little snack right there. If you guys don't know where I'm at, I'm not gonna tell you because I don't want to get in trouble. But we're on this road. I left a chair here a long time ago. I think they took it away. They took my chair. It's like a deer or an elk. I'm sure I'd find this road lovely. We're just looking for signs of life. Uh-oh, got a decision to make. Do we go up the hill higher or do we head off that direction? Sometimes in life you gotta take the harder road to get the better results. So we're gonna go up the hill. I'd like to see a bear try me. I'd like throw some punches and then pull out my bear spray and go ham like I'm Subway Surfers. Leave my mark on that thing. That's what I do, you know? And I'd like to see them try me. Oh, I totally forgot about this place. Dude, that brings back memories. We got our wall. We were so proud of this too. Our wall, there's a branch. If you guys know this place, you know. The amount of time we spent trying to get this fire going. It's always nice to come back to places where you have good memories. Ooh. Tearing up a little bit. There's a Sprite can, but I don't think that was from us. I always love coming back to these places. I think I already said that, but it's true. All the memories you make with friends, your friends might go, but those memories stick to the places. So, get my glove back on. Got our fire pit here. I want to come up here and camp again. That was probably some of the most fun I had with my friends. That was pre-CTP bikes, so we didn't even think about recording it. Would have been so cool though. If you guys know the story, you know the story. This video just feels like a thing for my friends because there's so many places we've been, so many memories we made. Down and under, down and under. We made it. Oh, look how nice they are. They cut me a path. They actually, yeah, they cut these trees. I think, oh, that hurt. Well, this is quite the predicament. That, you might not be able to see it on video, but that's quite the drop. That might not look like it, but I could go across, which I'll probably end up doing, but I'm kind of curious. There's some pipes down there. I wonder what's inside. I don't know if you can see them. See those pipes? Imagine making a camping video where we're staying in those pipes. I'm definitely gonna find something I don't want to, like a spider. I hate spiders. Oh, look at that. The other side might be a little easier to see it. Should I go in? It's like a plastic pipe, which is interesting. Do I do it? Do I not? Let's see, let's suck it up again. Whoa. We're in the pipe. Probably can't see me because it's kind of dark, and for some reason my flashlight doesn't want to work unless I'm one direction. But I'm in the pipe. There is a lot of mosquitoes in here. Luckily I have a hat, but we're gonna try to keep going. Put my glove back on. Yeah, it's like, how do we get out? Oh, I'm just gonna book it. Oh, I made it. Oh, that was awful. I hate spiders so much. But good news is we made it out. That was easier than I thought it would be. I'm not doing that ever again. This is the type of... Oh, my foot just fell all the way through that. That is cold. Holy... Oh, I did it again. Oh, my leg just went straight down the hole. Look at that though. Waterfall. Look at that stump. Why is there so much cool stuff here? That's what my foot fell through. My feet touch the water and my foot is bone-chillingly cold. It's not even funny how cold that is. And now we made it to the other side. Let's go up. This really gets a sense of how steep this hill is. Whew. We made it. You can just see it getting colder though. Starting to see my breath. It's actually supposed to snow. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, but later this week it's supposed to start snowing, which I think is gonna be really cool. The trees are squeaking. Hope I don't get in trouble for being on this log property. The trees are farting. That's crazy, man. Oh, we got a, looks like a pheasant over there. Something. I'm starting to get some raindrops on me. My house is actually interesting. The place I need to walk back to is on the other side of that hill, that clearing. That is about where my house is. What this is. Like we got a workbench. A lot of oil and stuff. I literally have no clue where I'm at. I'm probably gonna head that way to head down. But if you look over there, you can see an excavator. Oh, why am I camera? See it over there? It's pretty cool. Last thing I'm on. Oh, fell on my bone. Whew. We made it back to the actual trail just in time. It's starting to get dark. Oh, I guess my wall is up. That's pretty nice. Should probably bring down my that and this. It's all full of water. Bring that down too. You see the work we put in moving sticks over here and kind of clearing some of them up. The goal is to get this place as clear as we can so we can make a campground. All right, guys. So I'm back at my house. This is up on top of our hill. But if you look, if I really zoom in, you can see, oh wait, am I not focused? You can see that excavator way over there. So that means I was somewhere back behind there, and that is a long ways. I want to thank all of you guys for watching. If you made it this far in the video, you should probably subscribe because you've enjoyed this content. I hope you guys don't mind waiting a little bit for dirt bike content because it is freezing cold. Maybe when it snows we can make a snow video. But until then, I'll see you next time.